Yes, I just passed my AZ-104 Azure Administrator exam again. And I don't mean I renewed it, I mean my exam literally expired and I've had to take it again and I've just passed. And the way this happened was crazy. I had my exam scheduled for Wednesday. So the Wednesday coming up. And in the middle of me doing an all-nighter, I thought I really want to take this exam and get it out of the way so I can move on to studying for other things. And so that's what I did. It was like 2 a.m. and I was going to take this exam 2 hours later. I literally scheduled my exam for 3:45 a.m. at 2 a.m. I was just studying and I thought, let me just go and take this and try and pass. Like if I fail, it's not the end of the world, right? I just have to pay for another one. So why don't I just test the efforts that I've put in now and try and pass this right now in the AMs. And the craziest part about this is I passed. I got the most incredible score. Let me explain. So the pass mark for the AZ-104 and most Azure associate certifications is 700 over 1000, right? I took this exam and I got a score of exactly 700 over 1000. And you know what that means, right? If I got one question wrong, one more question wrong, I would have failed. I was literally on the line, got the exact pass mark. Like when I finished the exam, I didn't think I passed. I wasn't sure. And when that mark popped up on my screen, I was so relieved. As I always say when it comes to certifications, it doesn't matter if you get 1000 over 1000 or 700 over 1000 like me. If you pass the exam, you pass the exam and you have the same certification as everyone else who has passed. Super happy to be AZ-104 Azure Administrator certified once again. And in the coming videos, I'm going to be sharing some resources that I've been able to use to pass the exam, but also some of the resources that the people in our community, the tech certified community, are using to pass the exam as well. I will compare a few of the different practice questions that I used to show which one is going to be most helpful for the actual exam and which one is perhaps maybe even too pointless for the exam, like way off, just to give you the resources that will help you to pass based on someone who literally just did it, was able to see, you know, the difficult questions, the questions that I already studied before, and really understands what the exam looks like. I want everyone in our community to have the AZ-104 out of the way, pass this exam, and move on to keep upskilling and learning a lot more. And if you'd like to join this community, there is a link in the description to be part of the Tech Certified community. Make sure you look out for the video where I explain how I pass and how you can pass the AZ-104 as well. It's coming soon on this channel, so subscribe.